Booyah! So, I've seen a lot of fail videos in my day. Never ever thought I'd be part of one. But, lo and behold, I am. A little embarrassed, of course.
Why are you limping?
Well, we had a little incident up on the mountain today. Ricki screwed up really bad. We were doing the trailer hitch video in the parking lot at Quartz Creek, and a few viewers commented that I was limping. Well, we had a little bit of a crash up on the hill doing some tuning. So that's another reason why we haven't been doing any riding videos, because I was kind of wounded. Was doing some tuning, and we kind of parked in not a bad spot, but it wasn't a great spot. I wasn't super comfortable with it, but it was good for video and good for shooting. We were kind of on top of the mountain instead of on the bottom in a really safe spot. So we were doing some climbing, just doing some test runs, and of course, you know, I don't want to blow that 1200 up because it's a one-off, and finding parts is going to be kind of hard. So I was doing a run up the hill, and I was just concentrating on the EGTs and wasn't paying attention to where I was going. I knew those guys were on top of the hill, but you couldn't see them until it was too late. And you'll just see in the video here, it got to the top of the hill and looked up, and boom, there was some sleds sitting there. I reacted, but probably fast enough, I think. It could have been a lot worse from what happened. So I ran into Landon's XP, or his XP, his sled. Going at a pretty good rate. Hit it hard enough to kill the motor and to damage the side of the sled a little bit, but I didn't break any trailing arms or nothing. There was more damage to Landon's sled than mine, but my leg hit his sled going by. That's why I was limping. Finally went to the doctor, and I had a fractured fibula just from the way I hit the sled. Whatever, but hey, shit happens. It could have been a lot worse. We came out of it pretty good. Didn't break anything major on the sled. I thought for a moment there that maybe the crank was bent, just the way it hit everything. What happened, it hit so hard here that it kind of pushed my belt guard into the clutch. You can see a couple scars there yet I got to fix up. The inside of the tunnel got chewed up from the clutch spinning. But it hit it hard enough to kill the motor. That's why I thought the crank was bent. But thank goodness it wasn't. She's ready. She's good to go. Damn it, why was I looking down? Did I hit your sled? So I had my GoPro going on my helmet, and as you can see in the video, I was looking right at the EGTs, not paying attention where I was going. I was concentrating too much on the EGTs because the thing was rolling. I fixed Landon's sled because I'm the idiot who hit it, so I made sure he was looked after, and his sled's all fixed up and good, and I just got to get my hood fixed on my sled. So guys, I can't stress enough out there that no matter how prepared you are, shit happens, things screw up. But our good buddies at My Medic sent us these first aid packs. Don't ever go without them. Very handy little outfit. Keep it in your pack. It's nice and small. They're quite a nice little emergency backup system. So be prepared out there. Shit happens.